In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add and edit meta descriptions on Squarespace. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, you'll want to head over to Squarespace's official website. For those of you who aren't familiar, Squarespace is a powerful website building platform that offers a range of tools to design professional websites with ease. Once you're on the website, the next step is to log in. Look for the login button. It's usually located at the top right corner of the page. Here's where you'll need your account credentials, so go ahead and enter your details to access your account. After logging in, you'll be directed to the Squarespace dashboard. This is the hub where you can manage all aspects of your website. It's a user-friendly interface, but if it's your first time here, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Now, once you're on the dashboard, you should see an option labeled Website. Clicking on this will take you to a more detailed view of your site structure. Now find the Edit button, which will allow you to enter into a mode where you can make changes to your site. This is where we start to get hands-on. From the Edit section, you'll see a variety of options to manage your website's content. Look for the Pages option. Clicking on Pages will bring up a list of all the individual pages on your site. It's important to remember that each page on your site can have its own meta description, so you might want to prioritize which ones are most important. Once you've selected a page, look for Settings. This will usually appear as a small gear icon. Clicking on it will open up more options specific to that page. From the Settings menu, click on SEO. This part is crucial because it's where you can directly influence how your pages are described in search results. Once inside the SEO settings, you'll want to look for the section that says Title and Description. Here you can enter the meta description for your page. Keep in mind that a good meta description should be concise, typically around 150 to 160 characters, and should accurately reflect the content of the page. Consider including relevant keywords to improve your search engine visibility. After you've entered your desired meta description, make sure to save your changes. There's typically a save or update button you'll need to click to ensure your work is stored. And there you have it. You've successfully added and edited a meta description on Squarespace. By optimizing your meta descriptions, you're taking a significant step toward improving your site's SEO, which can lead to increased traffic and engagement. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful.